Hello guys, how are you today؟ يا رب تكونوا كلكم بخير وكويسين جدا جدا جدا. ان شاء الله النهارده يا جماعه الفيديو بتاعنا خفيف ولطيف خالص، لانه عباره عن listening يعني استماع. هنسمع الجمل الانجليش اللي هتتكلم على الديلي روتين، وهنكتبها او هنقول ايه هي الجمله دي، وهنشوف احنا قلنا صح ولا غلط. الفيديو ده هيبقى مناسب جدا للناس المبتدئين في الانجليش اللي لسه بيبداوا لسه يتعلموا انجليش، او الولاد الصغيرين اللي لسه في مدرسه. ويلا بينا نبدا. هيبقى عباره عن كلمات كتيره زي ما انت شايف كده، وهنا التراك اللي انت هتسمعه وهتختار بناء عليه الكلمات. عايزاك تجاوب قبليه. يلا بينا نبدا.
He wakes up very early. He wakes up very early.
بيقول هنا ايه؟ He wakes up very early. He wakes up very early. تعال نسمعها مرة كمان.
He wakes up very early.
سمعتوا؟ He wakes up very early. He wakes up very early. تعالوا نشوف احنا عملناها صح ولا غلط. صح. He wakes up very early. آخر مرة.
He wakes up very early.
نكمل.
She washes her face. She washes her face. She washes her face.
She washes her face. She washes her face. She washes her face. تعالوا بقى نسمعها مرة كمان. شفتوا؟ طلعت صح هي تحت خالص. صح، طلعت صح. نسمعها آخر مرة.
She washes her face.
She washes her face.
He has cereals for breakfast. He has cereals for breakfast. He has cereals for breakfast.
He has cereals for breakfast. He has cereal for breakfast. تعالوا كده نرتبها. يبقى he has cereals for breakfast. تعالوا نشوفها صح ولا غلط. He has cereals for breakfast. تعالوا نسمعها مرة كمان آخر مرة.
He has cereals for breakfast.
He has cereals for breakfast. اللي بعده.
They brushed their teeth after breakfast.
أنا عايزاكم تجاوبوا قبليه يا جماعة.
They brushed their teeth after breakfast. They brushed their teeth after breakfast.
They brush their teeth after breakfast. تاني.
They brushed their teeth after breakfast.
They brush their teeth after breakfast. They brush their teeth after breakfast. تعالوا نشوفها. صح، برافو عليكم. اللي بعده.
He always combs his hair. He always combs his hair.
He always combs his hair. تاني.
He always combs his hair.
He always combs his hair. He always combs his hair. خلي بالكم يا جماعة combs دي البي فيها السايلنت. الحرف البي ما مش بيتنطق في combs. تعالوا نسمعها تاني.
He always combs his hair.
He always combs his hair. ما نطقش البي عشان silent. اللي بعده.
He gets dressed in the bedroom. He gets dressed in the bedroom.
He gets dressed in the bedroom. تاني. He gets dressed in the bedroom.
He gets dressed in the bedroom.
He gets dressed in the bedroom. يعني هو بيرتدي هدومه في غرفة النوم. He gets dressed in the bedroom. اللي بعده يلا نسمع.
They make the bed before going to school. They make the bed before going to school. They make the bed before going to school.
They make the bed before going to school. They make the bed before going to school. تعالوا نعملها. They make the bed before going to school. اسمعها مرة كمان.
They make the bed before going to school.
They make the bed before going to school. اللي بعده.
They always go to school on foot.
تاني.
They always go to school on foot.
مرة كمان.
They always go to school on foot.
They always go to school on foot. They always go to school on foot. اسمعها مرة كمان.
They always go to school on foot.
They always go to school on foot. يعني هم على طول بيروحوا المدرسة سيرا على الأقدام. اللي بعده ونكمل يا جماعة.
His lessons start at 8:30.
مرة كمان.
His lessons start at 8:30.
مرة كمان.
His lessons start at 8:30.
His lessons start at 8:30. His lessons start at half وهاف اللي فيها silent past 8. تعالوا نشوفها اهي. His lessons start at 8:30. نسمعها مرة كمان.
His lessons start at 8:30.
تمام برافو عليكم يا جماعة. اللي بعده اسمعوا.
He has lunch in the school canteen.
مرة كمان.
He has lunch in the school canteen.
مرة كمان.
He has lunch in the school canteen.
He has lunch in the school canteen. He has lunch in the school canteen. He has lunch in the school canteen. تعالوا نشوفها كده. He has lunch in the school canteen. تعالوا نسمع مرة كمان.
He has lunch in the school canteen.
تمام يلا اللي بعده نسمع.
He leaves school and goes home.
تاني.
He leaves school and goes home.
مرة كمان.
He leaves school and goes home.
كمان.
He leaves school and goes home.
He leaves school and goes home. He leaves school. He leaves school and goes home. تعالوا نشوف صح ولا غلط. اهي. He leaves school and goes home. اسمعها مرة كمان.
He leaves school and goes home.
اللي بعده.
He arrives home at 2:15.
تاني.
He arrives home at 2:15.
مرة كمان.
He arrives home at 2:15.
كمان.
He arrives home at 2:15.
He arrives home at 2:15. اسمعها مرة كمان.
He arrives home at 2:15.
He arrives هو بيوصل home he arrives home at a quarter past 2. تعالوا نشوفها صح ولا غلط. He arrives home at 2:15. نسمعها مرة كمان.
He arrives home at 2:15.
ودي معناها ان هو بيوصل للبيت الساعة 2:15. وبكده يا جماعة نبقى خلصنا الفيديو. اتمنى ان انتوا تكونوا استفدتوا، ولو عجبكم الفيديو اكتبوا لي تحت الفيديو ان انتوا في الكومنتس ان هو عجبكم، وما تنسوش تتفرجوا على المحادثات اللي انا بعملها علشان هي مفيدة جدا وبتقوي بتقوي الاستماع والتحدث، وكمان بتقوي القراءة. فأتمنى ان انتوا تتفرجوا على جروب المحادثات، وكمان في قواعد، وكمان في القناة بتاعتنا في كمان تأسيس للناس المبتدئين. Thanks for watching. اعملوا لي subscribe وباي باي.